Hey everyone, it's Dhaval. I'm out here in the city center right now. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I want to get some Turkish pizza here. And one of the places that was recommended here by my guide was Perestan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's called Perestan. This is the outside of it here. And I'm gonna go ahead and order a Turkish pizza, vegetarian of course. And he's gonna put all the fixings and make it fresh, but I wanted to kind of give you guys what it's supposed to look like. It's kind of supposed to look like that picture there, right there in the middle. And let's go inside the restaurant here, check it out. But some inside here, you can kind of get an idea of what the restaurant looks like here. And just to plug the restaurant a little bit more, this is the website. It's called Perestan. And they have not just regular pizza, but they make Turkish pizza as well, which is what I'm gonna have. And let's go ahead and take a look. So here's the amazing staff and the chef and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the food, and I'll check in with you when it's ready, or as they're making it actually, and then once it comes out. So. Okay, it looks like the food came out here, and there it is. It's cutting it up. It's really amazing. And look at how they're serving it. Wow. Bring it, oh yeah, let's see it here. Bring it a little closer here. Let's see how that looks.
That is the onion.
Yeah. The onion, that's the onion flavor. That just looks absolutely delicious. Oh, that's enough. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. That looks so good. Amazing.
What is this spicy?
Yeah, that looks very good. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and munch on this.
Yeah, salad.
Wow. So, all right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and munch on this right now, and let's see how it tastes. It's probably really hot. So I'm just going to take a little piece here of it, kind of get an idea. Ooh, it's hot. I'm going to probably have to wait a little bit. I don't want to burn the roof of my mouth. Gonna show it here. And let's take a little bite here. See right here. Oh wow, that's really good. It's really fresh. And just amazing. So everybody should definitely try a Turkish pizza when they come in to town here in Turkey. And really good. So here we go. There's the bite.
Okay.
Well worth everything. So this is Dhaval signing off here from Perestan, and enjoying my Turkish salad. I should say Turkish pizza, sorry. Got a salad too. Compliments of the house. Wow.